After completing this module, you will be able to state the importance of linear measurement in surveying and describe the instruments required for linear measurements. Linear measurement means the measurement of the straight line that joins any 2 points in a place. As you know, surveying helps you in showing the relative positions of objects on the ground. Without knowing the correct linear distance between objects, you cannot show their relative positions accurately. Linear measurement helps you in knowing the correct linear distances between objects in an area which is being surveyed. When you know these correct linear distances, you can show the relative positions of all the objects in the area accurately on a map or plan. Therefore, we can say that the linear measurement in surveying is a task of finding out the correct linear distances between objects. So, linear measurement is essential for accurate surveying. In surveying, the instruments used for taking approximate linear measurement is a chain, and the instrument used for exact linear measurement is called a tape. First, let us take a closer look at the chain. The chain is a kind of a metallic rope. It has these interlinked elements shaped somewhat like the stoppers fixed on windows. Look at the ends of the chain. They contain brass handles with swivel joints. The mechanism prevents the chain from being twisted. The elements are linked to each other by a set of rings. These rings give flexibility to the chain. The chain contains markers called tallies.
Towards camera.
Tallies are pieces of brass shaped like a ring and hung at intervals of 5 feet on the chain. By counting the tallies, the distance can be measured. Now let us take a close look at the tape. As you know, the tape is a long strip of metal or synthetic material that contains markings in standard units such as feet and meters. The tape is used when accurate measurements are required. Tapes are made from metal or fiberglass and are commonly used for direct measurements. In this module, you have learnt that correct linear measurements are essential for accurate surveying. In surveying, the 2 instruments used for linear measurements are chain and tape. The chain is used for measuring in large areas, and the tape is used for measuring in relatively smaller areas. The chain is made of interlinked elements. It has markers called tallies to help us measure lengths. The tape is a long strip with markings in standard units such as feet and meters. A tape can be made with different materials like metal or fiberglass.